Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this Winky Lux Latte Kitten palette. I just realized in this beautiful packaging here it says coffee scented. That is interesting. I'm not sure I love that, but I'm excited to smell this. Let me show you the packaging. Look at how adorable with the little cats on it. Winky Lux, I think, has the best packaging in all of makeup. They have the cutest products. So this palette retails for $25. It's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and gluten-free. And I'm pretty excited about the shades in here. They seem very wearable, like some nice neutral shades, which I love, but a lot of shimmer. The only matte shades in here are the 3 in the corner. The rest, the other 6, are all shimmers, and I love a shimmery eyeshadow look. Plus, it's got the mirror here, and it says, "Hello, gorgeous," at the top. Seriously, just such a beautifully packaged product. And let's go ahead and start out with some swatches. So it looks like we might have some good highlight shades here. Oh my gosh, definitely. And a nice neutral matte brown. I love that. Ooh, these seem very pigmented. Oh my gosh, yeah, these are some beautiful pigmented swatches. Wow. I am already so impressed by these formulas. So here are what those swatches look like. And seriously, every shade swatched so beautifully. Based off of those swatches, I'm not sure that you even need an eyeshadow primer with these, but I am, of course, still going to test these out with and without an eyeshadow primer. And this is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion that I am almost always using. So I'm just going to blend this all over one of my eyelids. Okay, and first I'm going to highlight the brow bone with that beautiful highlight shade called Sugar Crystal. And I'm going to place this right under the brow. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is so bright and reflective. Oh my gosh, that is incredible. That is so impressive. I can't believe how bright that is. Oh my gosh. I feel like there is no way to be too bright of a highlight, but this is cutting it close. That is amazing. Perfect for brightening up the eye. Wow, I am blown away by this highlighter. And okay, next I'm going to pick up a fluffy crease brush. For the transition shade, I'm going to go in with this matte pink shade called Brulee. Wow, there is no kickback. Okay, and I'm going to place this from the crease and then blend it upwards onto the brow bone here. Seems pretty blendable. A nice shade for this transition area because it's giving some dimension to the eye. Now for the eye without the primer, I feel like I'm not seeing as much pigment here, but that is a good transition shade. Now I'm going to deepen up just the crease with this matte brown called Nutmeg. There actually is a little bit of kickback in this shade. And then putting that right here in the crease to build up some more depth. I really like how these two shades look together. Yeah, once again, the eye without the primer does seem to be less pigmented. Okay, with so many shimmer shades, I'm definitely going to pick up a shimmer shade next. I'm going to go for Hazelnut. Interesting shade for this red metallic. Looks actually kind of orange on my finger here. But I feel like this shade will look really nice with the other colors on the eye. And oh my gosh, yes it does. This color story looks so beautiful and cohesive. I feel like this orange matte in the corner is going to be great for the lower lash line. So I'm going to stick with these kind of warm tones for this look. And this shade is really pigmented, easy to apply. It has a pretty kind of shimmery finish. It has like a silver shimmer to it, which I really like the look of. Just gonna blend that together. And then to finish off the eyelid, I'm gonna lighten it up with this shade in the corner called Frothy. Ooh, which looks like a beautiful champagne shade. Very similar to the shade I used for the highlight, but a slight bit more gold. And oh my gosh, it's just as bright and pigmented and so beautiful as the shade I used as my highlighter. Wow. So beautiful and impressive. I really like how this eye look came together. They are such pigmented eyeshadows. I am very impressed by these formulas. So quick and easy to use. Blend out that crease and any harsh lines. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Nice flattering effect for the eye. And then, like I said, I'm going to pick up the matte orange on a smaller, more dense brush to line the lower lash line. Ooh, yeah, this has good pigment. A really pretty shade of orange, like a pumpkin orange. Ooh, that does look nice with the rest of the eyeshadows. It still kind of looks like a pop of color. I don't really wear orange on the lower lash line, but I like it. I don't usually wear orange eyeshadow that much, but on the lower lash line, it is a nice effect. Definitely pops. Wow, what a pretty eyeshadow look. And this is not the most, I would say, versatile palette. You can create a lot of different looks, but overall I feel like this is a nice look that I can create in a few different ways with this palette. And I am so impressed by these formulas. I am blown away by how pigmented they are. So I love the brand Winky Lux, and I'm so glad to see that this is yet another Winky Lux product that I really enjoyed. So if you've tried this out, let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.